Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Arryna Nur. My student ID number is 20400122048. Okay, now I will answer the question from assignment 7. The first is process of word recognition. When we hear a word, our brains goes through three main phases to recognize. Okay, the first is initial contact. The sound we hear are matched with the words stored in our memory. The brain activities words that sound similar. And the second is selection. The brain chooses the word that best match the sound we heard and ignores the other options. So the third is integration. The selected word is connected with its meaning, so we fully understand what the word means. Okay, the next question is, what is the parsing stage? What happens in this stage, and what types of knowledge does the brain need? Okay, parsing stage. Parsing is the stage where the brain starts processing recognized words to form clear and meaningful sentences structure. The brain arranges the word we hear into sentences we can understanding according to grammar rules. For example, putting words together to create. The boy is reading a uh, eh, the boy is riding a bicycle from the sound we hear. In this stage, the brain needs two main types of knowledge. The first is articulation coding knowledge, the ability to understanding how intonation, emphasis, and the way words are pronounced affect meaning. For instance, the tone of emphasis in speech can show emotion or the focus of a sentence. And the second is linguistic coding knowledge. Functional level, there is functional level, choosing the right word and determining their grammatical relationship like subject and predicate. So the second is positional level, figuring out the sentences structure, word order, the function of each word, like nouns or verb, and grammatical markers such as plural form or tense markers, past or present. Okay, next question is, what is the interpretation stage and resource processing? Interpretation stage and resource processing. The interpretation stage is the final step in understanding language, where the brain fully grasps the meaning of the sentence of speak heard. At this stage, the brain works to interpret the complex meaning so we can understand the communication. So this stage involves three main steps. The first is capturing sentences structure and meaning. The second is interpreting based on context. The third is storing main meaning. Okay, the next question is, what is the three-parted model in the interpretation stage? Okay, the first is surface level. The brain starts by processing words based on their sound or phonology. And the second is proposition level. The brain process meaning further by connection the word meaning with the context or existing knowledge. And the third is situational or mental level. This is the high level of understanding. And the last is, can you explain the perception stage as a wall? Okay, the